Subaru Motorsports USA is now unveiling a competition-spec WRX for the 2024 season, ahead of its public debut at the Ojibwe Forests Rally on August 25 and 26. The exterior features a carbon fiber widebody kit. Compared to the stock WRX, this one also gains vented panels on the hood and a tall rear wing. The livery combines a matte WR blue body with yellow accents and the automaker's 6-star logo. The WRX has been thoroughly re-engineered inside and out. Power comes from a custom-built 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged boxer engine that features a 33mm restrictor and 22 psi of boost, as mandated under American Rally Association rules. Despite the restrictions, the engine makes 320 horsepower and 380 pounds-foot of torque. Power goes to all four wheels through a 6-speed close ratio transmission. A specially designed suspension features springs and dampers from R53 suspension, in addition to VSC-designed crossmembers, links, and hubs to help manage wheel movement on any surface. The car has a fully seam-welded body shell and an FIA-compliant roll cage. The racing seats support a Hans device for additional protection for the competitors. An 82-liter Kevlar fuel cell replaces the stock gas tank. The class rules require the vehicle to have a minimum weight of 2,900 pounds.